Okay, this is first request. Please do not record my session. I will share you after end of the class. You will see that video in the chat box. Okay, so here two videos are there. You remove, hurry, you remove these videos. Just click on this and remove these two videos. Remove these two videos, hurry. Just right click and remove the videos. These two videos. Okay. See guys, this is first session. So today we will discuss about the SAP S4HANA basics, and tomorrow, so we'll go to the topics in detail. Okay. So first of all, so I would like to know how many people know about SAP S4HANA ECC. So any basic idea on this? So if you have, then you can say something on this. And let's make this session more interactive. Any idea on this, anyone? All the people newbie or?
Sir, video not looking, sir. Only voice listening.
Share anything, okay? I didn't share anything. I'm just asking to the people. I didn't share any content. Okay, anyone know about SAP? What is SAP? And what is ERP? What is HANA as for HANA? So if you have any knowledge on this, at least you can share your thoughts.
Good evening, Chanu.
Yeah.
This is Nandu.
Okay.
So I know ACC, but I want to know S4HANA. So the thanks for this.
Okay. Where are you from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. So, but the initial stage we will mainly focus on SAP FICO. Then we'll move to S4HANA. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyone? Okay. Let's start. So let me share one document to you. So can you able to see my screen? Can you see my screen? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So today I'm going to discuss about what is SAP. Okay, and other things also. What is ERP? What is HANA and S4HANA? Regarding the market as well. So first of all, keep your video off and audio should be mute. Okay, and a sincere request, please do not record the session. I already started. Okay, please do not record the session. Okay, guys. See, this is about SAP SC. Okay, SAP SC. You know the stock price as of now $88.44. So, but this stock price was taken 1 year back. Okay, but I don't know. I need to check this price. Okay, this is the basic information. SAP SC is the company. Okay, it's a corporate company. Headquarters located in Germany. And see, this SAP was founded in 1st April 1972. Okay, in German. It's a German-based company and almost the employees 150,000 right now. Headquarters located in Germany. CEO, this Christian Klein. See, almost 150,000 employees are there. It's a big company. It's an IT giant company. Okay, and today, as of now, you see 230 million cloud users are there. And SAP also covering 100 plus solutions, all business functions, and largest cloud portfolio of any provider. So SAP, okay, recently means 1 year back, they terminated 3,000 employees. Okay, due to recession. But if you consider other companies also, you know, terminated employees, like Google also terminated, right? And layoff, termination, so many things. So, but SAP, if you check out SAP revenue, it's a good comparing to other companies. So huge profits are there. Okay, see, almost So 230 million cloud users are there. So mostly you'll see SAP getting revenue from the cloud. Okay, and also providing 100 plus solution covering all business functions, and it's a largest cloud portfolio of any provider. So earlier in 1972, SAP is called as a system analysis program development. Okay, but this is not correct. Right now, this has been replaced. Okay, this is the old name. System analysis program development is the old name. Systems, applications, products in data processing is the new name. Okay, so initially it was called as a system analysis program development, but after that this has been removed. This name is no more right now. So we are using only SAP means SAP. Generally, we can say SAP stands for systems, applications, products in data processing. So almost 1,050 employees are there in this company. So, and keep your audio mute, please. No disturbance. Vijay Patel. So SAP SE. SE stands for European Union. So according to the corporate law in European countries, it is SE stands for Societies Europea. So according to the European Union law. Okay, so SAP ranked many times number 1. SAP is ranked number 1 in the ERP market. Okay, so some other competitors, SAP has competitors like Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle. Okay, so these are the biggest competitors for SAP. Now I will discuss these things in detail. So what is SAP? See, S stands for systems. S stands for systems. A for applications. P for products in data processing. Okay, you know what is systems? System means computers, laptops, PCs, any device. Application means software. Okay, it's a software application. Product means goods and services. Product means goods and services. You can say product. So here, what generally SAP do? SAP will capture entire information. The SAP is a software. Okay, it will capture the entire information. Entire information regarding goods and services. So as in business, there are different kind of transactions, sales, purchases. Okay, salary paid, rent paid. So many things will be happen. What generally SAP do? SAP capturing these details. Okay, and stores into the database. Stores into the database, right? So there are so many transactions, thousands of transactions, and crores of turnover. Companies will make different kind of transactions on day-to-day basis. Okay, so for recording the transactions, okay, so we need one database. So that is the reason SAP is called as a business database. Business database means it will stores all the business information. Business information. So that is the reason it is called as a SAP. That is the reason it is called as a business database software. SAP is also called as a business database software. So keep your audio mute, please. So SAP is called as a business database software. What happened? Why? See guys, keep your audio mute every time. Okay. The SAP is called as a business database software because it stores all the, see, all the data will be stored in the database. Okay, so all the data, see, all the information, so like goods and service information will be stored in the database. That is the reason SAP is called as a database software. Now you just understand that is SAP has really own database or it depend upon the another databases? Yes. So earlier SAP depends upon another databases. So these are called as ECC. See, ECC is the old version. ECC means ERP Central Component. This is the old version. This version will be expired after 2027 onwards. Okay, so this is the official notification by SAP. So even it will be continued up to 2013, but SAP is not providing any support to the customers. So ECC will be using for the last 30 years. Okay, so almost 20-30 years almost gone. So this is the old version. So this version will be there up to 2027. Okay, after that it is the company choice, they want to continue this version or not. Okay, but SAP is not providing any service. Okay, so they will stop service to the customers after 2027 onwards. Okay, so SAP databases. What are the SAP databases? So Oracle, MS SQL, IBM DB2, SQL. These are the databases. Okay, so these are the old version database: Oracle, MS SQL, IBM DB2, and SQL. These are the databases. Okay. So earlier in ECC version, SAP has no own database. SAP depends upon these databases. Oracle is one kind of database. MS SQL, IBM DB2, SQL. So completely SAP depends upon this database, third-party databases. There is no own database. So after introduction of S4HANA, okay, S4HANA is the new product. So EC is the old one. S4HANA is the new product. Okay, so after 2015 onward, this product has comes into picture. So there are some versions also there in this S4HANA. S4HANA is the not completely new. This is the also old one. Okay, so this was started in 2015. Okay, so versions have been started from the 2015. So now recent version, S4HANA 2022, and old version 2021. Okay. So this is the latest version in SAP S4HANA. ECC. So ECC has also some versions. Okay. So ECC, ERP, EHP8 version is going on right now for ECC case. So SAP will release every year new version. See, SAP will release every year new version for on-premise and cloud. So quarterly they will release new versions. So generally we'll teach only SAP on-premise. So on-premise means company will set up own infrastructure, own facilities and everything, servers and everything own. It's a completely customized. So cloud means it should be controlled by SAP itself. SAP will take care of patches, upgrades and everything. So here we'll discuss only on-premise versions. Okay. So here just understand that SAP is a business database software. So earlier SAP has no databases, like SAP no own databases, Oracle, MS SQL, IBM DB2. So after that SAP realized we should have some own database, then only we will become #1 in the market. And so many times Oracle is the #1 ERP. Okay, SAP also #1, but after that Oracle, right? So Oracle also number one in the business. Okay. So for customer point of view and the business point of view, so SAP also crossed Oracle so many times. Okay, now the thing is, so SAP has come up with own database. SAP has come up with own database. So this database is called as a HANA database. Okay, so we have HANA database. So this HANA database is more powerful comparing this ECC databases. So high performance, HANA stands for high performance analytic appliance. I will share a document also, everything will be there in the document. Just for rough notes, I'm giving this. So HANA stands for high performance analytic appliance. Okay, so this is the new database. These are old ECC databases. Comparing to this database will work 1,000 times faster than this databases. This HANA database this HANA database is a high performance, will give high performance comparing to this database, 1,000 times better than this database. This database is 1,000 times better. Okay. HANA means high performance analytic appliance. Now in SAP S4HANA, you should understand that. So HANA is the database and S4HANA is the software. It's a product. Okay. So whatever the databases like Oracle, MS SQL, IBM DB2, this database will not work in HANA platform. S4HANA, so we cannot link these databases. We cannot run this database in HANA S4HANA platform. But so we can run this HANA database in ECC version also. Okay, these are the two important points you should understand. Okay, one is for ECC versions, so we can link this HANA database, but S4 HANA versions, these databases are not required because so it will give 1,000 times faster performance than this database. That is the reason these databases are not required to link this S4 HANA software. Okay, S4 HANA is the application. It's a product, it's a software. S4 HANA stands for S4 HANA, fourth version of Business Suite. Okay, SAP is fourth version. This is the fourth version of SAP. Fourth generation. Okay. So S4 HANA is the fourth generation Business Suite. Okay. So SAP has launched so many products. So many products. If you go to Google, there are so many products out there. But here, just I'm mentioning some of the important products. SAP S4 HANA, the enterprise resource planning on-premise and cloud. SAP Business by Design. SAP Business One. Small enterprises will use this software. And customer relationship point of view, companies will use CRM and ERP and PLM. So many products. But here I'm just giving a small idea on these products. So these are used for respective areas. Okay. So SAP launched so many products. These are the important and main products. So that is the reason SAP is a business suite. Business suite means including all these products. That's the reason it's a business suite. It is including CRM, it is including ERP, it is including PLM, it is including SCM, and it is including SRM. And so that is the reason it's a business suite. Okay. Okay, now you should understand that what is SAP, okay, and what is HANA and what is S4 HANA. Okay, now one more thing is, so who developed this SAP software? So this software was developed by 5 IBM employees in 1970s. 1970s, so this software have been developed by 5 IBM employees. Okay, and so initially they were started with one server. So SAP has started with only one server earlier. So now SAP works on based on 3 servers. This is called as R3. R means real time, 3 means 3 servers. SAP is also called as a ERP software. Okay, so SAP is called as a ERP software. So SAP works on 3 servers right now, and it is also called as a ERP software. ERP also has 3 servers. SAP S4HANA also 3 servers. I will discuss the server concept in the next classes in detail. So today I'm just giving overall idea what is SAP and etc. It is not going in depth. Okay, so just giving important areas like basics, basic touch up. So SAP works on R3 architecture. R means real time, 3 means 3 servers. Okay, so here SAP has 3 servers right now. So earlier in 1970s, SAP has only one server. What are the servers we have? It is also called as layers. Application layer, presentation layer, and database layers. Okay, application layer, presentation layer, and database layer. These are the 3 servers out there. SAP has 3 servers. What is ERP? So what is meant by ERP? So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, SAP is a ERP software. Okay, what is meant by ERP? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So enterprise means business. Resource means time, money, machine, okay, etc. These are called resource. Labor, these are all resource. Planning. So planning means, so how efficiently you are using these resources in most efficient and effective manner. This is called as a plan. Okay, now SAP is an integrated modular. It's an integrated planner. That means SAP is connected with many modules. So this is ERP is connected with many modules. SAP is called as ERP software. Why? Because it's a connected with many modules, integrated with many modules. We cannot say connected, it's integrated. SAP is integrated with many modules. So SAP is connected with sales. So we have SD module. So material management. Okay, we have MM module. Okay, finance. We have FI module. Okay, controlling, costing, etc. Controlling SAP CO module. Plant maintenance. So PM module. Production planning. These are all department. Each department is a module in SAP. PP module. These are all called as a functional modules. So if you know about plant maintenance and plant, etc., if you work in manufacturing company as a plant maintenance manager, plant manager, etc., in that case you can pick and choose this module. So if you work with the production planning, MRP, metal requirement plannings, so how to plan for materials, etc. So in that case you can pick and choose this PP module. So if you are completely finance guy, so general ledgers, journal entries, accounts payables, receivables, fixed assets, okay, taxes, etc. It's a finance related. Then you can pick and choose FI module. So if you have depth knowledge on controlling aspects, like so how to reduce the cost, and how COGS and product costing, COPA, etc. If you have already good knowledge on CO areas, you already worked, then you can pick and choose this CO module. So if you have good sales knowledge, so you already work with sales areas and SAP software as an end user, then you can pick and choose this module. Every module has a good scope, but SAP FICO is the toughest among all these modules, and it has good scope and salary as well comparing to other modules. But opportunities point of view, SAP FICO is the main module. Okay, so if you learn this SAP FICO, then you can move to MM also, ST also. So after some time, not right now immediately, like once you work with any company for 2-3 years, then you can switch on to SD consultant, MM consultant also. That level you will get once you work with any company. But after learning this course, so you cannot become SD consultant. Okay, so here what we are teaching, that is different, but in real time that is completely different. So in real time there are so many things will be there. So SAP is connected with so many interfaces. So a customization process. Okay, and different kind of tools. Okay, that is the tools and everything. Lakhs of subscriptions will be they will subscribe the tools by paying lakhs of rupees. Okay, but so after end of this training, so you will come to know the doing configuration, testing, and analytical part, and everything will be enhanced, and no doubt at all comparing to other institutions. So you feel it's a best training, so you can check it out and compare with others also. That is your choice. And we will teach in everything in real time. So here, so now understand that SAP is connected with all these modules. SAP is an integrated software. It is linked with, integrated with sales, material functions, finance function, control in departments. They are called departments. SAP is integrated with many departments. Okay, so that is the reason if you want to look at finance function, finance related aspects, so you can immediately get this information. If you want to know production department, what they are doing, what the information is there, that you can get it easily. Okay. So this is the basic overview. What is ERP? So many ERPs are there in the market. JD Edwards, Oracle, so Microsoft Dynamics, so QuickBooks, Sage, Groups, so many ERPs are there in the market. So SAP has competitors, Oracle and Microsoft Dynamics. These are the two companies are biggest competitors for SAP. Okay, but why SAP? So why we need to choose this SAP? Because SAP has more integration facilities there. It is integrated with all the modules, all the departments. and we can view all this information single window. Okay. That is the reason SAP is called as a ERP software, and it's an integrated module. Okay. So Oracle, JD Edwards, Microsoft Dynamics, QuickBooks, Sage, etc., etc. SAP is a user-friendly, and SAP has reliability, trustworthy, more friendly, user-friendly, and integration facility is there. SAP is SAP has come up with S4 HANA. So after introduction of this S4 HANA concept, so reporting is very flexible and flexible to the top management. Okay. So these are all reasons make SAP become #1 in the ERP world. Okay, almost #1. Many times SAP become #1. And Fortune 500 companies. Anyone? So Fortune 500. So top most biggest companies in the world. So SAP gives ranking for this companies. Okay, top most 500 companies. Accenture, IBM, TCS. Okay, so these giant companies are using SAP. 80% of companies are using SAP. Okay, that means we can understand that how this company become big. Okay, SAP has almost 4 lakhs customers. At the time initially started, SAP has only one customer. Now it has almost 4 lakhs customers. Okay. Right. This is the overall idea regarding what is SAP. Okay, and what is ERP. And SAP has how many layers? Tomorrow I will explain this concept in detail. Okay, and so here if you look at this, what is the meant by HANA and what is S4 HANA? Okay, and how many cloud users are there? And what is ERP? Why SAP? Okay, these things we completed successfully. So next thing is so why companies want to upgrade to S4 HANA? Why companies want to switch to S4 from ECC to S4 HANA or from other ERP to S4 HANA? Why companies are interested to move to this S4 HANA? Reason: 31% simplification, 26% performance, 13% finance enhancement, and Fury apps. See, nowadays everything in apps. So if you see movies has one app, songs has one app. So like that, finance has one app. Okay, so here material has also an app, material management. So here SAP has developed Fury apps. Okay, SAP has so Fury app 3.0 version right now. We are using 2.0 is the old version. SAP has launched this Fury apps to their business. Why these Fury apps? Because it reduces user time and it gives more satisfaction. Okay, it gives more satisfaction to the user and productivity is more. Okay, you can sit at home and you can post the entries through mobiles, laptops, tablets. This facility is there. Okay, so that is the reason it's a user friendly and no complexity, and we can reduce the errors, minimize the errors. And the performance has been increased after introduction of this S4 HANA. reporting flexibility is more, simplification. So these are the reasons companies want to switch to S4HANA. These are the reasons make companies to switch to S4HANA. See, this S4HANA is launched some important areas like financial planning, accounting and financial close, treasury and cash management, accounts payables, receivables and risk management, etc. So these are all supports reporting perspective. It's a HANA. I will tell you what is HANA and etc. tomorrow session. Okay, in detail. Today is just giving overall idea regarding this concept. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, almost the company, almost the countries S4HANA, this country is using S4HANA. So United Kingdom, so UK 28.6%. So UK is the #1 country using SAP S4HANA more, almost 28.6%. Then after that, United States, UK, US, America, German-based companies, Ireland, okay, and UAE, India. So, but if you look at this, almost Indian consultants are more in the world. Okay, most of the consultant will come from Amirpet institutions. Okay, Singapore 2.6, Australia 2.5. Okay, and if you look at companies wise, so here manufacturing companies are using SAP S4HANA and percentage is 20.9%. And consumer backed goods 10.6%, retail 9.7%, professional services 9.6%, life sciences 8.8%, oil, gas and chemicals 6.3%, and utilities 5.0%, and automotive 3.0%. Okay. So by using this software, what is the benefit to the company? 70% saving when buying this software, 15% saving when buying hardware, and 20% saving on labor. Okay, as I told you earlier, SAP launched so many versions on so on 2015 onwards. SAP has launched 1503 version SAP S4HANA, 1511, 1601, 1610, 1709, etc. So SAP is the 2021 version. This is the latest version. Now, right now, 2022. Cloud. SAP will release cloud versions. Okay. So quarterly versions as well. What is the cutoff date for ECC version? So 2027 is the cutoff date. After 2027, SAP is not supporting to the customers. Okay, so after that, see, up to 2030, you can use ECC. Companies will can use ECC, but after 2027 onwards, okay, so no more ECC. So some of the industry experts saying that, so no, not like that. So SAP ECC version will be there up to 2035. Okay, so S4HANA also there, but ECC is the Bible. Okay, it's a good version. There is no bugs. Okay, and reporting is everything is good. But SAP S4HANA, there is some issues, bugs are there. Still, it is under process. Okay, so but the companies generally interested only on SAP ECC version. But so if we want to migrate S4HANA, it's a company choice, and they want to so upgrade themselves. Okay, so then S4HANA is the best option. So it is very flexible for reporting perspective. Sorry.
35.
Yeah. Hello.
3 months of course.
Okay, guys. See, so 2035. These are all things as taken. See, this one is taken some survey based. Okay. It is not final, but this one is fine. This is the official notification. This is the official notification. Okay. So this is the overall idea regarding what is SAP, what is ERP, what is HANA, what is S4HANA, why SAP, and what is the cutoff date for ECC version. Okay. And what are the versions we have in ECC and S4HANA. Okay. And so what kind of databases we generally use in ECC and what is HANA database. And for industry point of view, okay, so which companies prefer to SAP S4HANA, and for countries point of view, these things we discuss. Why SAP S4HANA? So I already told you. Okay, this is the today demo session for everyone. So yesterday, last time, 2 days back, I just given what kind of stuff we are going to cover in our syllabus, etc. So these things we'll discuss in the last session. I also uploaded one video in the YouTube and also in chat box. You will get this information. Okay, so you will get this information in chat box. Okay, this is like a syllabus, etc. Okay, so today is the session 1. This is the only. This is only SAP point of view demo session for you, for everyone. Okay. So, and I request everyone, so please enroll yourself immediate basis. And so you will see, so our admins are already there in the chat box. I'm sharing this information again in the chat box. You can just look at this. Okay, so you can call to this Babji sir. Babji sir or Kader sir, you can get in touch with them for enrollment process and everything. So regarding subject, you can connect me. So I'm not dealing any fees, etc. So please do not send any messages for this. So they will give anything for you, Babji sir and Kader sir only. Okay, you can connect them. Their numbers also given. So admin related aspects they will take care. Okay, like so if they are sending any so fees details, etc. in the chat box with my user ID, but so you don't feel that I am sending messages. Okay, I don't send to anyone. Okay, I will come to sessions and will take care of your issues regarding the subject point of view, not for administration. Okay, so for administration related, if you get any messages, that will come from Babji sir or Kader sir only, and with my user ID. Okay, don't feel that I'm sending messages to you. Okay, so thank you. So this is today's session. So as I discussed earlier, so 45 minute sessions, 45 to 50 minutes. If error is there, then we will continue 1 hour, 1.5 hours. If errors are not there, okay, then 45 to 50 minutes is best thing. That's more than sufficient. Okay, so we will discuss next concept tomorrow in detail, servers and etc. Okay, thank you very much. We'll continue tomorrow. Good night.